Hey everyone, Kyle here. In today's video, I am going to show you Klarna review, pros, cons, and more. So let's get started. So after using Klarna multiple times, I'm back with a full review. Klarna supports both in-store and online orders and has some really unique features. But like any app, it has its pros and cons. So now let's dive into the pros first. So one of the best features that Klarna have is that it collaborates with retailers to make sure you get your products without hassle. When you make a purchase, Klarna integrates with a shipping company to automatically track your order status. You can even update Klarna manually once your product arrives, but generally, it will update automatically within a few days. Another perk is that if you need extra time to make a payment, Klarna allows you to extend it. And unlike some other buy now, pay later apps, Klarna's late fees are fairly low. While Afterpay also offers this option, Klarna's flexibility really stands out. Plus, it tracks the carbon emissions of your purchases, helping you stay eco-conscious with every order. Lastly, Klarna doesn't charge interest if you choose the pay in full option, which is nice if you want to clear your balance quickly. And now next are the cons. Now let's talk about the downsides. One issue I found with Klarna is its one-time payment cards. Every time you want to make a purchase, you generate a new card that's only valid for 24 hours. Klarna changes the first payment right away. But if you decide not to purchase, it can take up to 7 days to get your money back, depending on your bank. Also, like many buy now, pay later services, Klarna can make it easy to overspend. Paying in smaller installment fees feels manageable, but it's easy to underestimate how much you're spending. I've definitely noticed I tend to go for higher priced items when using Klarna. Lastly, Klarna performs a soft credit check every time you use it. This is meant to ensure you have sufficient funds, but in some areas, it might impact your credit report. And now one last thing to discuss is the payment options. So Klarna's payment options differ by country. In the US and UK, for instance, you get 3 options. Here in Australia, we only have pay in full option, which can be a positive, but it encourages clearing your debt sooner. And that's it for my Klarna review. I hope this video helped you out. Thank you for watching.